Hey guys, I wanted to create a short video giving you a little tour of my new online studio. I'm super excited to share that I now offer a subscription service for my Embodiment 360 family. What's great about each membership plan is that I offer a free trial for you to check out the entire online studio with absolutely no commitment. With each plan, you'll gain access to the entire library of workouts, new workouts added each and every month, access to special live events, as well as fun, invigorating challenges to help keep your health and wellness game on point. So now let's jump into a brief tour of the Embodiment 360 studio. At the top of the catalog page, you'll see featured new workouts for you to check out. Directly below the featured videos is a fantastic tool I absolutely love, the Filters tab. Here, you'll be able to filter through several different drop-downs to help refine your search and find exactly what you're looking for. So say I'm looking for a sculpting workout. I'll click the Sculpt category, and all I've got is 30 minutes to work out. So I'll select the duration I need, and then I'll also be able to choose what type of equipment I want to use. This way, you're able to narrow down your search and choose the workout that works best for you. With each video selected, I've included a detailed description as well as suggested equipment for that particular workout. Below the Filters tab, you'll see specially curated programs to help you achieve your desired fitness goals. Each program comes with a tailored workout calendar for you to follow, keeping you motivated every step of the way. I've also included a printable calendar to help you track your achievements and progress, which can be found under the Resources tab. Back on the catalog page, you'll find I've broken down videos into different categories, focused on specific body parts or type of workout. For example, lower body, upper body, core, cardio, sculpt, etc. And that's the online studio in a nutshell. I'm truly so pumped to provide this service to you all. I love that I now have the option to offer you even more content each and every month and provide so many additional perks to my members. Remember to take advantage of the free trial today, and let's begin to find your truest potential together.